In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to create better LinkedIn outreach messages. The goal here is to make your outreach more relevant, more efficient, and more respectful without sounding generic or automated. A lot of people make the mistake of sending the same message to everyone, and that usually leads to poor response rates. A better approach is to start with the right audience and then use AI to help you communicate clearly. First, define the people you want to reach on LinkedIn. Be specific about who they are, what kind of role they have, what industry they work in, or why they would be a good fit for your outreach goal. The clearer you are about your target audience, the easier it will be to create messages that feel appropriate and useful. Next, collect basic details from their public profiles. Look for information like their job title, company, background, recent posts, shared interests, or anything else publicly visible that helps you understand who they are. The purpose here is not to overcollect data, but to gather enough context to personalize your message in a simple and professional way. After that, open ChatGPT and describe your outreach goal. Explain who you are trying to contact, why you want to reach out, and what tone you want to use. For example, you might want the message to sound friendly, concise, professional, or warm. The quality of the output depends a lot on the clarity of your prompt, so include enough detail to guide the response, then ask ChatGPT to write a short connection message. Keep this brief because LinkedIn connection requests work best when they are direct and easy to read. A good message should quickly establish relevance and avoid sounding overly promotional. Once you have that, ask for follow-up message versions. This is useful in case someone accepts your connection request but does not respond right away. Having a few variations helps you stay consistent while also avoiding repetitive language. Before sending anything, personalize each message. Review what ChatGPT gave you and adjust it based on the person's profile. Mention something real and relevant and make sure the message sounds like something you would actually say. AI should help you draft, not replace your judgment. As replies come in, track them in a spreadsheet or CRM. This helps you stay organized, avoid duplicate follow-ups, and see what kinds of messages are working best over time. Most importantly, avoid mass spamming and keep your outreach respectful. Focus on quality over quantity, be honest about your intent, and treat every message like it is going to a real person because it is. That approach will always lead to better long-term results.